The economic value gained by using alternative fuels such as rice husks, for example, at 30%, can save approximately 10% of the total cost of coal fuel. Increasing the use of alternative fuels above 40% can save more than 13% of the total cost of coal fuel in cement kilns. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pero Cement Techno channel. This time, we will discuss energy efficiency using rice husk alternative fuel for the combustion process in cement kilns. The use of rice husk as an alternative fuel through co-firing, or burning it together with coal, can help the cement industry, which is one of the largest energy consumers in Indonesia. The energy efficiency of rice husk as an alternative fuel in cement factories has the potential to reduce dependence on coal and lower production costs. However, its effectiveness depends on several factors, including the calorific value of the rice husk, the quality of its moisture content, and the method of blending it with the main fuel. Utilizing rice husks can also contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, along with increasing awareness of environmental issues. Rice husks are an abundant biomass waste from the agricultural sector that can be utilized to generate energy, thus reducing waste and providing a more renewable energy source. The calorific value of rice husks is lower than that of coal, so it is necessary to adjust the proportions and add rice husk energy in larger quantities to achieve significant energy savings. Rice husks are cheaper than coal, increasing energy efficiency and saving fuel costs. However, burning rice husks produces around 15 to 20% ash, which contains a high silica content. For the cement industry, this is not a problem, as the ash content of the combustion residue is a necessary raw material in the cement production process. However, for the power generation industry, the cleaning of dust collection equipment is more frequent. There are two types of rice husks that can be used as alternative fuel, namely, pure rice husks and chicken coop bedding husks. Pure rice husks, a type of rice husk waste from the agricultural sector, have a calorific value of around 3,200 to 3,300 kilocalorie per kilogram, with a moisture content of around 10%. Chicken coop bedding husks, a waste product from the chicken farming sector, have a higher calorific value, around 3,300 to 3,400 kilocalorie per kilogram, with a moisture content of around 10%. The higher the moisture content of rice husks, the lower their calorific value, as evaporating the moisture also requires heat energy. To increase the use of alternative fuels, including rice husks, adequate facilities are required, such as sufficiently large alternative fuel storage, including equipment for blending several other alternative fuels, transportation equipment from the storage to the preheater system, equipment and locations for entering alternative fuels into the calciner, and other supporting facilities, as well as a control system to control alternative fuel usage from a central control room. Rice husks have great potential as an alternative fuel in the cement industry, primarily due to their abundant availability and renewable biomass nature. However, actual energy efficiency depends on how the rice husks are processed and blended with the primary fuel, and further research is needed to optimize their use. The economic value gained by using alternative fuels such as rice husks, for example, at 30%, can save approximately 10% of the total cost of coal fuel. Increasing the use of alternative fuels above 40% can save more than 13% of the total cost of coal fuel in cement kilns. Thank you for watching this short video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.